Artificial intelligence is a game changer in 2024 and beyond. We all know it. For that, we have to depend on AI based platforms or the tools where we use or we can use artificial intelligence to scale our productivity, to scale our creativity. Today, I am going to disclose about a tool, a platform where you can get 9 premium tools at a time and with a very minimal cost. So without delay, let's jump into my computer screen. But before that, welcome to Biva Technologies. I am Shovan Ghoshal, your digital marketing trainer and a personal coach. This is the tool Galaxy.ai. This is the platform actually. Here you can get these premium tools. See the Perplexity, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, Flux, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and Ideogram. These 9 tools are available under $15 a month. And all the tools, if you want to buy all the tools, then you have to pay $180 a month. I am already a ChatGPT premium user. I know that ChatGPT is definitely one of the most incredible tool, undoubtedly. But the thing is, you cannot solve all of your problems through ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT is a text-based platform, a text-based GPT version, text-based artificial intelligence tool, but you cannot solve everything through ChatGPT. Undoubtedly, OpenAI's ChatGPT is far better than any other tools. But when the days go on, then people are becoming smarter, and at the same time they want to do the personalization with their tools. These are some personalized tools. For example, Claude, for example, Perplexity, for example, Midjourney. These are the personalized tools for personalized use. Yes, in future artificial intelligence will be more personalized. So first you have to do, you can just go and sign in there. For sign in, I am using my Gmail account, and that is my Gmail account. You can sign in with creating an account with Gmail account or with any other accounts as well, but I will prefer using Gmail is the best option. And that is the interface. I am doing it for you. I am planning to switch into Galaxy.ai because here you will get almost 1784 tools or 1700 plus tools. That is not a matter of joke today, because we all have to work on various platforms, various AI projects, or all the things. See, some of them are general tools, some of them are categorized tools. You can see the similarity between this one and the ChatGPT one. See, just a second, I will show you. You can see the similarity. You can get the similarity actually. So this is the ChatGPT. I am using its premium one. That's the plus one. That's my plan. See, this is my plan. I am using it. Okay, and I have been using it since long. So this is the GPT section. That is the GPT store, kind of Play Store, kind of App Store. This is the GPT store where the categorization is there. Definitely, these are for productivity, these are for writings and research and analysis, education, lifestyle, programming, and lots of other things. This platform brings all these things under a window, under a roof actually. See, if you want to know the basic difference between ChatGPT and Galaxy AI tool, you will see a lot of differences are there. For example, I am a digital marketer, marketing trainer from India. Can you guide me which AI tool is best for me. The same prompt I'm using for both the platforms. I'm using its premium and I'm going to get its premium because the offer is going on, so I am planning to do it within today or tomorrow. Okay, because I was busy last week, so I didn't have time. So today and tomorrow I am going to, today or tomorrow I am going to plan to going to buy this product, going to upgrade this product with $15 a month. Next I will come here. This is the platform where they recommend Jasper AI, Grammarly, Surfer SEO, Canva, ChatGPT, Zapier. These tools they have recommended. They means ChatGPT has recommended these tools for digital marketing trainer. Now I come here about ChatGPT. ChatGPT option is also available there. Sorry, that's the ChatGPT prompt generator. But the basic difference is they may use, means Galaxy AI may use OpenAI's API, but the interface is completely different. Don't think Galaxy AI is a complete version of ChatGPT. Here you can find some ChatGPT elements, you can say. That's better. Okay. See, the platform is not according to what ChatGPT is there. Okay. Now that is my question. I've just asked the question and then just ask you to generate. Here are the tools: Chat with AI, Chat Arena, Chat with PDF, YouTube Summarizer, AI Photo Studio, AI Travel Photo Generator, AI Headshot Generator, AI Image Generator, AI Image Editor, and lots of options are there which you can get under $15 a month. That is the good thing for all the beginners. If you know prompt engineering well, you can definitely generate prompts. That's a good shine. But the tool can help you, tool can save your time. So I will personally recommend to use those tools which you can use for repetitive tasks. Means suppose you are going to create a social media post every day, I will suggest you to choose those tools which can easily help you to generate hashtags, generate titles, and generate content ideas. That would be better. Here ChatGPT and both Galaxy AI tool is there for you. So for that you can go and search here social media and see. This is the platform. So in this way you can get all of your needs under a window, under a roof, not the window, under a roof. At the same time, when you will just use a tool like ChatGPT Premium, when you are going to use a tool like Galaxy AI, you have to understand one thing very clearly, and that is all the prompts they need is or must be accurate according to your goal. Suppose you want to generate huge traffic through your social media, you have to create those prompts for social media. But this is not for this video. This video is only to show you the quality, the opportunity to use this tool, and this is quite better in terms of amount, in terms of its availability, in terms of its what can I say, and more, means you can understand. These are the options, these are the popular things, and there is an option you can use, you can refer someone and earn money from their with their affiliates as well. But that is not important. The one of the most important thing is, if you need a tool, a bundle tools, I will suggest you can try this tool, because the Galaxy AI is a kind of platform, is a kind of tools, is a kind of AI, you can say AI store that can help enhance your productivity, or that can help enhancing your productivity. So if you are interested about this tool, you can just ask me. I will just guide you how to use these sections of this tool. Thanks for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, if you love watching this video, please do comment. Thank you.